This is George. He cleans the facility every night. He also interacts with customers, maintains inventory, and now, with the new state of things, also is being asked to spend a lot more time seeing to all of the high-touch critical surfaces, like sinks and doorknobs. It's a wonder he can get to it all. But let's face it, there's only so much time in the day, and in this new normal, George knows one of the most essential parts to keep customers feeling comfortable and safe is keeping the space looking its best. That means cleaning more than he ever has before. But running the scrubber takes even more of his valuable time. If only there was a way to automate it. In fact, there is. Tennant, in partnership with Brain Corporation, now offers autonomous floor cleaning equipment that can work with George to get the job done. With collaborative robots, or cobots, you can automate the floor scrubbing and allow George to focus on more challenging problems to address that require his human touch. It's a win-win. While the Tennant scrubber is cleaning the floor, George can do the more tedious cleaning work that is critical to meet today's current demands, such as desks, doorknobs, sinks, railings, faucets, or other business needs with the additional time. With the significant increase in the demand for ongoing disinfection of surfaces, as well as more regular deep cleaning, staying efficient is even more important than ever before. Taking advantage of breakthrough technology like Tennant's autonomous scrubbers will be essential to helping hardworking cleaners like George get it all done every day. Keep your space safe, healthy, and looking its best. As the global leader with 150 years of cleaning industry experience, over 3,000 cleaning robots already deployed, and more than 700 Tennant sales and service experts in North America, we know we can help you implement a high-performing floor cleaning automation program with the support you need. To discover if Tennant's autonomous cleaning equipment is the right fit for you, contact us today.